Cucumbers are my ultimate skin glow secret. With 95% water and silica for collagen, it's like giving your cells a giant glass of anti-aging water. Staying hydrated is the #1 way to keep your skin fresh. Let's start by thinly slicing 2 small cucumbers into rounds. Next, slice a small onion. I tend to add just a little for that savory depth and a natural anti-inflammatory boost. Place both the cucumbers and onions in a large bowl. Now, make a simple saltwater mixture. Dissolve sea salt in water. Pour it over the vegetables and toss well. I tend to let them soak for 10 minutes to draw out excess moisture and make them extra crunchy. While they soak, let's make the beautiful sauce. After 10 minutes, drain the vegetables and let them sit for a couple more. This is my secret hack to shed excess water and keep the salad from getting soggy. Now, add your cooked quinoa and that beautiful sauce to the vegetables. Toss well to combine. I love how the sweet and nutty aroma starts to fill the kitchen. I love how fresh and savory this salad is. It has real depth that keeps me satisfied. Sharing my favorite tip, it tastes even better after a couple of days, so it's perfect for meal prep. Eat well, age well.